Hello, I wanted to come on and explain to you your natural science project that we're going to be doing this semester. It is a little bit different than maybe what you would expect in an English class because it's not a traditional essay. Instead, what we're going to do is look at a comparison of popular sources and scholarly sources and complete an evaluation. Sometimes popular sources get things completely right and we don't have to worry about it, but sometimes they might have skewed some information or missed some context. So you're going to evaluate some sources that I have provided. In your Blackboard, you have this document that shows you everything you'll need. Here's your project directions, your rubric. I've given you an example, and then here's a PowerPoint template if you don't want to do it in Google Slides, but you'd rather do it in PowerPoint. When you go into your project and template, you can see that there's a live link that opens you to the new project, and it's going to prompt you to make a copy, so that way you don't have one and start editing on it and someone accidentally edit yours. But what you're going to do is I've given you two topics. You're going to look at either alkaline water and its benefits for your health, or deodorant or antiperspirant with aluminum and how that may negatively or not impact your health. You only choose one of those topics. You are not doing both. So say I wanted to write about alkaline water because I'm interested in staying hydrated and I've heard people talk about it. So I'm only going to focus on this level. I'll ignore everything else. I'll choose one article from the yes side and one article from the no side to read, and these are all hyperlinks. If for some reason they don't work, please let me know. You never know when a link's going to change. So these, you'll click on a hyperlink to go into it, and you'll read the article, and then you're going to do some scholarly research to fact check it. So that's where the template is going to be helpful for you, and I'm going to use my example so you can kind of see it filled in. So you put your name, all that stuff. So this is my first one. So if I was doing alkaline water and I was going from the yes side, I would say according to, and I'd cite where I got it, alkaline water can help your hydration. Here's my 3 reasons why with my citations. And this is where you're now doing the research. So I would have found an article in the scholarly database and used that to compare. So in this one, I said, according to Hunt, macro counting can help target fat loss. Frey also found that fat loss was more significant with low-fat diet, so it does seem that macronutrient counting happens. So found some evidence in a scholarly source. It supported Hunt, so therefore, this is possible. So I'm going to fact check each piece of evidence that I find. Okay? So again, you have this template. You can do Google Slide or a PowerPoint, but you're going to say my yes side of the topic I chose. Here's the reasons why. Here's how I fact checked them against a scholarly source. Here's my no side, and there are 3 reasons. This is how I fact checked those 3 reasons. And then based off this is what I think. And that is explained in here, but I hate reading every word to you because I don't want you to zone out on me. But again, you're going to make your own PowerPoint talking either about alkaline water or deodorant with aluminum in it. You're going to investigate both the yes and the no before you make your conclusions based off your research. The research that you do will be looking at their reasons, so these popular sources that I've linked for you, but you need to use a scholarly journal for that, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this class, so don't worry, we'll review that. But you're going to fact check it and then tell me what do you think based off the evidence as you investigate your source. This rubric I think is really helpful because it tells you exactly how I'm going to grade it. So you can see I'm looking for your first side, yes, no, your opposite side, how did you fact check it, what was your conclusion, did you have that reasoning for it, and then part of your grade is going to be your grammar. There's going to be a reference page for APA formatting. Again, we'll teach that, and I'm going to also look at your APA in-text citations. So the first page is the content, and the second page is the grammar and mechanics of everything. You'll have plenty of time to ask me questions. I'm always happy to help you during office hours, so let's dive in.